Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel to Rebekah Cing, aka now Cing. Today we're about to leave and I'm really excited. Yeah, and then this is my whole outfit. I mean, my hair outfit is this curls. And my top is from my squadron. I mean my flight t-shirt. We made this, so let me show you. I don't know if y'all can see it. Okay, that's how it looks like. Alright. Yeah, and then I'll show you how many bags I'll be carrying. Well, I have one big ass suitcase, excuse my language, and then my big duffel bag, and then my tech school book bag. Kind of heavy, but I got it. They're also leaving today. This is Candy. She's my sister since day 0 from BMT. And then this is Sirikni. She will not be flying home. She will be just driving back home. Her parents are picking her up. Okay, they're being childish right now, but I'm gonna just let them be. So are you guys excited? Yes. You're gonna be in my YouTube channel, right?
All right, no.
You are.
You're gonna cut all that out.
I'm not. Are you excited?
Yes. I woke up so early this morning and I was like, I'm ready.
Oh yeah, thanks to her, she did my hair. Yep. And Curtis, which is our brother here, how you feel about us leaving? I'm just kidding. I just wanted to put in the video. I know he's sad, but
I'm staying here for another 4 months.
No.
I wouldn't mind if we have the freedom from this squadron, right? I'll go to the marina, I'll go out of base, and I'll be fine. But we don't have any freedom here, so I'll just go home. Oh yeah, by the way, this is my suitcase right here, my bag, and then my duffel bag. And I'm just here, looking, you know what I'm saying? Looking cute. Just wanna be cute, period. So here we are, we're getting out of the base. Me and my guy right here, we're about to leave.
Hey. What's up, everyone?
Yep, I'm very excited. And our Uber driver is very nice, and I enjoy our ride.
It's a good ride. We've been here for forever. It feels like it's been forever. So really excited to get home, be with my family, with everyone finally again, and yeah.
And we were in the same class, so
yeah,
that's how.
we're in the same class. We got a lot of mutual friends, and we're homies. Yeah. So we'll stay tight. See the beach right there?
Oh, where? I can't see that. Okay. Now I'm put my glasses back on. What beach is this?
Biloxi Beach.
Oh, Biloxi. Okay, that's Biloxi Beach, yo.
When that tropical storm came in, see all these piles that just had all kinds of stuff all over the beach.
Wow.
They're
Oh, that
cleaning it
is.
up fast, yeah.
Wow, it's cute.
Yeah, you guys been here and you've been on this nice beach the whole time.
I know we couldn't go out though.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah, we couldn't go out of base. That's why I was like, it's boring here. So are we out of the base already?
Yep, you're out.
Whoa, I'm out
You're
of the
civilian
base.
life now.
Yes, I can't wait for that.
Heck yeah. You want to stop and get a beer or something?
I'm still under 21, but
Yeah, that's all right.
well, I'll be 21 soon next month.
Okay.
That is a big, yeah,
It's lovely out
big
here.
beach. Wow.
Can't believe we missed all this.
Yeah, we missed that out. But you know, I might be going back here for
Yeah.
this. Well, my unit, like when I call my master sergeant from the education, she told me that I might be back for 2 weeks. I was like, that's fine.
Yeah, you'll get to go on the beach for a little bit and explore.
And hopefully they will, like, you know, let us go by that time.
Yeah, there's some casinos around here too.
Yeah, that's the Lower Lodge right there.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's what happened.
Hard
while I
Rock
was-
is next to it. My son come down and visit.
Yeah.
I just put him up 2 nights in the Hard Rock, him and 5 of his college friends.
Yeah.
5 girls and him.
Hey guys, I'm here at the Gulf Park International Airport. We're about to leave, and then this is how it looked like. My whole outfit. Alright, and we're about to eat some food, so we'll show you what they have here. That's it. Alright, so here we are inside the Gulf Airport, and then we're sitting here at the Gulf Coast Grace. I don't even know how to say that. Traffic. restaurant
how you
kinda
say it,
thing.
yeah.
Okay, so I got pop stickers and cheesy bacon burgers with fries, and then I'll show you what he got. Well, he's gonna tell us what he got.
So I got the tenders with fries and the Blue Moon. It's been a while since I had a beer, so I'm really excited.
Yeah,
I'll probably take my mask off so I can.
yeah, I'm like under 21, so I can't even touch anything.
That's
But I don't drink beer, so I'm fine. So we're just gonna wait for our food, and here they are. I'm really excited.
It's so refreshing. It's been a while. It's been a minute.
So this is how it looks like. Conteras. She's okay. I mean, oh hey, she's right here helping us get our food. All right, this is my food right here, and that's his food right here. Oh, his beer, and that's a dumpling that we ordered. All right, we're about to enjoy now. Yum yum yum.
Arby's, by the way.
This is Arby's?
Is it? Oh, no.
I don't think it's
Oh, I
Arby's.
just-
It's
I saw
a
this.
grill and tap room. Alright, we're about to enjoy it.
All right, so the food was all right. It was like the first time in a while I had food like that and a beer, so it was. I felt like it was better than okay. If you know, if I had been having that for a while, it would have been like man. But it was good stuff. Give them 4 out of 5 for taste.
And guess who we met here?
MD Secrets on YouTube.
It's gonna be on my vlog.
MD Secrets. Say MD Secrets.
I'm at the airport.
I hate you. I'm gonna crop you out. I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
And my dog?
And the other dog? That one?
Yeah, I actually vlog.
I got you. No, I'm just kidding.
No, look at me. Yeah. Okay. All right. Today the food that we ate
I know.
was good. I had a great time.
I know. I'm on.
And my dumplings were good. They were like really stir fried, and it was really good. My cheeseburger, bacon,
Oh, I know.
cheesy bacon burger. I think that was it. It was really good. I finished like 3/4 of it. It was really big, but I didn't like the fries because those are not the type of fries I want to eat. But other than that, it's pretty good. We are about to fly on our way, and we're on our way to fly to Atlanta. Finally here in Atlanta Airport International. We finally arrived here. I feel pretty good, I guess. Alright, I'll show y'all. This is Atlanta International. We're landing right now. Actually, I feel really good. I normally get nauseous or something, but right now I'm feeling great. I don't feel nauseous or anything. Just got home today, like at home. Well, I arrived at International Airport at 2:40, and then my parents were late, but you know it's alright. But I actually arrived at home at 1800, which is 6 o'clock on my time time zone, and then it was great, and it was I was tired, very tired, and I was so sleepy. I didn't vlog from my home, like my home international airport where I'm from, Atlanta International Airport. And I just want to tell y'all that thank you for watching my videos, and thank you so much.